Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing, cleansing citrus cooler that'll not only taste amazing, but also give your body a burst of health benefits. First off, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 grapefruit, a couple of limes, some fresh mint leaves, a cucumber, and a bit of aloe vera juice. Super simple, right? Now, start by slicing up your grapefruit and limes. These citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, which is great for your immune system and helps detoxify your body. Squeeze the juice into a pitcher, making sure to get all that zesty goodness in there. Next, grab your cucumber and slice it thinly. Cucumber is super hydrating and has anti-inflammatory properties. Toss those slices into the pitcher as well. Now for the mint leaves. Fresh mint isn't just for flavor, it helps with digestion and adds a refreshing coolness to the drink. Tear a few leaves and add them in. Finally, a splash of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is fantastic for your skin and aids in digestion. Just be sure to use it sparingly. A little goes a long way. Fill your pitcher with water and give it a good stir. Let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour to let all those flavors meld together. And there you have it, folks. A delicious, cleansing citrus cooler that's perfect for any time of day. It's not just tasty, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. So next time you're feeling thirsty, skip the sugary drinks and whip up this refreshing cooler instead. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. See you next time.